welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do my first time collaboration in my channel. So like I said, I'll be doing my first collaboration in my channel. This is Lee from the Lee Factor.
Yes!
So we've met each other from the same photographer. His name is
Yeah.
Richard from R&B Photography. He's amazing.
Yeah.
And this beautiful lady here is very talented. And she will
you.
tell us about this theme that we're going to do today. So we're going to do something creative.
Very creative.
Yes, so it's called SHIRONURI makeup. It's a Japanese style makeup, which means painted in white. So it represents the white makeup, the traditional white makeup of geishas and stage actors. So Lee, why did you choose this theme for a photo shoot?
Well, pretty much I was just looking through Pinterest for like pretty much basic outfit ideas from Japan, since I am planning on moving there eventually.
Yeah.
And I really into like the Harajuku subcultures, and then this one just randomly popped up when I just looked up basic Lolita, because I've always wanted to do just like a regular Lolita. But then I saw this and I'm like,
It's like level up.
This is like leveled up,
Yeah.
right up my alley. Because like if you guys do decide to check out my channel a little bit, you'll see
check
I'm
it out.
very costume oriented. So
Yeah.
anything that's more than just the average kind of look, I'm like, I'm doing it. I'm gonna try it. I like to want to be like a chameleon. So
Yeah, I'm like so excited when they showed me the picture and
Yeah.
what we're going to do for this project, because I was like, yes, I haven't done creative looks since Halloween.
yeah.
And whenever I work with Richard and her, it always pushes challenges my creativity, which I love.
Oh, trust me, it pushes both of us too.
Right. So yeah. So without further ado, we're gonna just jump right through it.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm sweating right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go.
Alright, so I have my face mask on. We're going to start by prepping her skin. So I'm gonna use this one from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream. Okay, and then we're gonna do a primer. So she have dry skin, so I'm going to do the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. Okay, and then a hydrating spray from Ole Henriksen. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. So she's all good and prepped. Okay, so we're gonna go start with the base. So I'm using this one from Minori. It's a white grease paint. I'm also using a sponge, just like a disposable sponge.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. We can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
And then we're using this one to set her white makeup. So this is from RCMA, and it is white translucent powder. This one is from James Charles, the Morphe Beautiful. So we're gonna do pink on this side and blue on the other side. So we're going to do a cut crease. So more pastel, but for the cut crease, I'm gonna do a bit darker, just so you can really see it on photos and on her eyes.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. We can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear.
So I'm going to use this one from Sigma. And then just because of the pastel colors, we're gonna do the lighter pinks over here.
Hold on to me.
Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my god. This is basically what we're trying to do today.
It's our inspo.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the lashes, we're going to use this one here, the big one. So we'll see how it looks like, and then I might layer it with this.
Hey, there's a first time for everything.
Exactly.
I'm gonna do that because I saw this one.
So on the other side, we're gonna do the blue. So I'm going to use this and this. Just gonna mix them, mix and match. So we're going to use again my pastel color. I'm going to use this.
The dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet. I can feel silence. In the dark, so that
I'm going to mix this too over here.
stars have burnt out, and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Beautiful. Oh my god!
Have it.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky, heart and beat.
We're going to use this one here for her bottom lashes.
And the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing.
Doesn't that look cool? Give you a little bit of a close up what's going on here, but oh my god, look at that.
So I cut them, so it's like that. I'm just using lash glue.
As long as you get that shot.
Yeah, right?
Beauty is pain.
Exactly. And then I'm gonna do the lipstick, and it's just like a white one.
And your stars have burnt out, and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your
So
eyes.
same colors, this one and this, like mixing it, and then for the pink, I'm going to do this and
You'll always
like soft. It's our just blending the middle.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
The very tip. So it creates that effect. What do you call that effect? It's more like
Blooming? Then
so she's
over-
going to change.
Yeah, I'm gonna
and
change.
I'm gonna see you again later. Okay. Hey guys. So
Oh
look
my
at
God.
it, our final look.
It looks so cool.
Yes, I love it. Okay, makeup. All right, and then we're gonna do setting spray, guys. I'm going to use this one, so you can use it as a primer and setting spray. So close your eyes for me, my dear. 1, 2, 3. So there you go, guys. Look at that. Looks so cool. So this is our final look for the SHIRONURI photo shoot. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for being
Thank you for doing this. I would not be able to pull this ish off.
Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys again
Great.
next
Bye.
week. Bye.